Think you can pass a real US DMV test? Let's check your road sign knowledge. Question 1. What does this yellow triangle sign mean? A. Yield. B. Stop. Answer: A. Yield. Quick one. What does a solid yellow line mean? A. No passing. B. Passing allowed. Answer: A. No passing. Driver test. What does this red octagon sign mean? A. Stop. B. Do not enter. Answer: A. Stop. Road rules. What does this U-turn sign with red slash mean? A. No U-turn. B. U-turn allowed. Answer: A. No U-turn. Think fast. What does a school zone sign mean? A. School ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing. Answer: A. School ahead. Final question. What does a green arrow traffic light mean? A. Turn allowed. B. Stop. Answer: A. Turn allowed. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Subscribe for more DMV practice quizzes.